up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the title and thumbnail, we're gonna be finally doing the Flash Pro on the FL5. I've been wanting this for a long time, been putting it off, and yeah, it's finally time we did it. So we'll see. I'm gonna show you guys the steps. Got my computer right here. Kind of go over and show you guys how to do it, to do the installation on here. It is pretty self-explanatory. Hondata's little window here on the computer is going to basically tell you everything you need to know step by step, but I want to show you guys what that looks like in case you've never seen it before and you're contemplating and thinking about doing the Flash Pro yourself. You can know basically what to expect. So it's real simple, you know, like I said, it tells you step by step on here what to do. Of course, plugging this guy to the OBD2 port and the other end into your computer, and then we'll go ahead and get started from there. Alright, so hopefully this shows up good and the GoPro can pick up. I know sometimes the computer screens look funny when you're trying to record them, but you're going to want to go to File up here in the top left corner, and then right there to New Calibration. Then we should have a window pop up here. You'll go through, you'll pick what car you have. It's got different modes here, different cars, and whether you want to do a 91 octane tune or 93. And then you got a couple little things here to the side. You can just read it off and pick whatever one you want to do. It has options for can flex, so E85, and a whole bunch of other little things. I don't have any of that stuff, so I'm just gonna pick right here. I do have 93 in my city, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick that 93 octane FL5 tune right there in the middle. Then you're gonna go to top right, click OK, and now you're gonna have a whole bunch of other little options pop up on things you can pick to have installed. Fuel system, so you can see what you have, go off of what you got in the car, stock fuel system, things like that. Even got the full race fuel pump, Hondata high pressure fuel pumps, XDI fuel pumps, stock injectors, Hondata 1300cc injectors, and so on and so on. Bunch of cool stuff in here, so just go off of what you got on your car. Mine's pretty much all stock. All I have is the intercooler and the intake. You can do also, here has the options for the pops and bangs, stage 1 and stage 2. Alright, once you've got that done, you want to go up here to the little arrow that's pointing up for upload. You're going to want to do that. Flash Pro is not associated with this ECU. Do you want to lock it to this ECU? Say yes. And here we go. Agree to the terms. Yes. And now it's locking. And then you'll see it at the bottom there, it says locked. Alright, so in the calibration, after you picked everything you wanted to pick, then you go again to the little arrow there at the top for upload, and then click OK, and it's going to start uploading the new tune. So we're going to go ahead and let that finish, and then we'll come back to it. Of course, as it's uploading, don't freak out. You're going to be seeing a bunch of lights and little beeps making on the dash here, so well, things are going to be flashing and whatnot. That is perfectly normal. Just let it finish doing its thing. Still got a little bit to go, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So see you guys when it's done. Dang, okay, so I finished uploading. It's in the car now. I just had to turn off the ignition, and then went to turn it back on. I didn't show it to you guys because it was just popping up on the screen here on the dash, but all the lights obviously stopped blinking and everything. And then I tried to turn the car on, and for a second it doesn't let you. It tells you on the screen here that you need to take your key and have the Honda part facing it and just touch over it like that, like just basically put it over it, and then it's good to go. Then it'll tell you can go ahead, you know, obviously push the clutch in, hold the brake, and turn it on, and it'll turn on. And it just cranked up, as you can see. I think we're done here with the computer and whatnot. I can go ahead and unplug it. But as you can see, no more Christmas tree lights on here. It turned it on. It actually sounded real good as soon as I turned it on. Alright guys, we're on the drive. And now I do feel the throttle response is a little nicer. Definitely spools up a little quick. Let's hope let me see, close the windows a little bit. Hopefully you're not getting too much wind noise. Let's see real quick, a little pull. Let me see, I'm in 3rd gear, 3K RPM. Oh, damn. Yep, that's definitely pulling harder. That is definitely pulling harder. Did you guys hear that the intake is so much louder now? The induction noise. Jesus Christ. This thing must be sucking up a lot of air now. Yeah, let me go from a little slower. Maybe put the window down a little more, see if, in case you guys can't hear it. And make sure. Drop down to 2nd. Damn, that is nice. That is nice. It's not crazy over the top on the power, but you definitely notice the difference. You definitely notice the difference. I got nobody behind me. Let me slow down. 2nd gear pull is really nice. I like the 2nd. Let's see. Kind of lost traction there a little bit. Damn. Yep, this definitely needed that. This car definitely needed that. It is so much funner now. Wow. Whew. Alright, nice. Very happy with this. I just can't stop doing pull now. Let's see, let's go down to 2nd again. Oh yeah, that's real nice. Let's go ahead, turn around here. Woo! Yeah, you definitely feel a big difference, guys. I am very happy with that. Hondata did a good job for sure. For sure. Next time, let's see. I'll probably try to get this thing on the dyno, see exactly how much more power it added. Because I definitely feel it, so it definitely did something. So stay tuned for that. Well guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah guys, until next time, have a great day.